Thank you for calling BTEC Hotel and Restaurant. This is Kelvin Tisken. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to book a table for dinner.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Leobi Nunez.
Thank you, Mr. Nunez. May I have your phone number?
Your 9105-230-937.
Got it. What date and time would you like?
September 13 at 7 p.m.
Thank you. For how many guests?
for 5 people.
Noted. Do you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Alright. Any special request?
Yes, a table by the window if possible.
Okay. Let me repeat your booking. A dinner reservation for Mr. Leobi Nunez. Phone number 09105-523-0937 on September 13 at 7 p.m. for 5 people. Non-smoking with a middle table request. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Great. Your reservation is confirmed. Thank you for choosing BTEC Hotel and Restaurant. We look forward to serving you. Have a nice day.